So good day guys, welcome traders, how you doing? So before we actually get started on our analysis, please don't forget to subscribe because I'll be teaching you how to trade your USD, your Euro, your gold, your JPY, any of this pair, your maybe on Nasdaq 100 or anything. So check this my video, I'll be uploading some videos, and also subscribe so you'll be able to get to those videos, you'll be able to watch it and be able to understand how to trade properly. Now on our Euro USD for the week, as we can see now, our price has actually been going bullish as we have predicted that our euro will be closing bullish this week compared to our USD, and it actually did. We can see a push up, a push up down. Now we see this push up. Now we are getting a retracement. Guess what? This week also we will actually be breaking above it. Yes, I told you we will be breaking above this previous higher highs here. We will be going bullish. So for the week, we will be closing bullish on our euro USD because this week our euro USD our DXY will be going bearish as we are on a bearish move. We can see the here bearish move. We can take it as a retracement. Now we are on a continuous bearish move. You can watch my DXY video so you understand why we are going bearish. So any pair relating to our USD should actually be going bullish. Now on our euro USD, we will be breaking our previous higher highs to continue to go bullish. Now we can see on our 4-hour time frame, we can still trying to go bullish. By the way, price is actually bouncing off this area. We are waiting to break above it and continue bullish move. So this week our euro USD would actually be going bullish. We are aiming for a bullish move, by the way. So I will be marking it as some key level area here. As we can see, a rejection here serving as a resistance, serving this place also as a support area, legitimate support area. So if our price can close for today probably around this area or below it, by the time of the week when our price opens, we'd actually be going bullish. By the way, we have some few more minutes for our New York session to open, so I believe we'll actually be going bullish. We'll break it, but next week we'll actually be closing bullish, by the way, on our euro compared to our USD. So if you find this video, do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. Thank you.